How to download CorelDraw for free. So if you want to download CorelDraw for free, then what you need to do is first open up your browser and search for CorelDraw support. Click on the first option that appears in your search results. Scroll down till you find an option of support ticket. Once you find it, click on submit a ticket. A new tab will open. On the right side of your page, you'll see a form. You need to just fill in the following details, like select the product, the issue type, the serial number, your full name, your email, your subject, description, agree to the terms and conditions, and then go with submit. Make sure that you've written a free trial under the descriptions, or under the subject, you need to go with free trial for CorelDraw. And under the description, you need to write, actually, I wanted to ask you for a free trial version of CorelDraw. I wanted to buy the product, but before the purchase, I wanted to check if the software works properly. And these are my account details. You need to enter your email, your name, serial number or order, the issue type, and the product, and go with submit. You'll see a confirmation that your ticket has been submitted. And that's how you can request for a free trial on CorelDraw. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.